Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add income in Goodbudget application. If you want to add income in Goodbudget app, first of all, open up the Goodbudget application on your smartphone and on the main dashboard after logging in, tap on the transaction button at the bottom. Now click on the pencil icon at the top right and then inside add transaction, click on the type option and select add income. Now enter the amount in the amount text box of the income you want to add. Enter the payer's name in the payer tab and choose account option. Choose the account where this income will be deposited. Select the date when the income was received. You can also schedule this income by tapping on the schedule option and schedule this once, weekly, every 2 weeks, and so on according to the income you are receiving. After you are done, select where would you want this addition to go. You can choose in my envelope or available. You can also go ahead and fill up your envelope, and at the bottom you should see the note option. Inside a note, you can go ahead and add a description or note to keep track of income source. For example, salary, freelance work, etc. Finally, click on Save at the top right corner and this will record the income in your Goodbudget app. So that's how you can easily add income to Goodbudget. This will help you keep your budget up to date and accurate. Repeat these steps whenever you receive money so that you always have a clear picture of your finances. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.